Hello everyone, welcome back to the new class. So in today's class we are going to solve the previous year question of syllogism. Last time we have discussed about the rules and the concept about syllogism. Now we are going to discuss the different types of question along with the tricks. So what is the rules? So please check the previous video if you haven't checked that, because you won't understand anything if you come directly in this video. So check the previous video. So what is the rules to solve the syllogism? The first rule is what? First rule is we have to check the statement. From statement we have to check the cases. From the case we have to draw the Venn diagram. From Venn diagram we have to check the conclusion. And the conclusion, there are two types of conclusion, which is possibility and definitely certainty. There are two types of conclusion, which is certainty and possibility. So this is the rule. Let's go with the first question. Some cycles are ring. First question, some cycles are ring. Some cycles are rings. All rings are circles. Borok gini ki rings ki circles. All circles are triangles. Borok gini circle ki triangle. Katukan ni part jong cycle gade ga ring. Borok ga ring gade ga circle. Borok ga circle gade ga triangle. That is the statement. That is the statement, and this is the Venn diagram. Now let's check the conclusion. What does it say? Some triangle are cycle. Katukan ni part jong ka triangle gade ga cycle. Ho ni bakini ka jingdro ko wan lang na do na cycle hadu triangle kamud, which is true. And let's check the second one. All cycle are circle. All cycle are circle. Baro kani ka circle kadika cycle bumla banlong. Hoy ledi kyong some circle is cycle kumut true tang ba kyong all circle is under the cycle, which is wrong. So in this case only conclusion one follow. Only conclusion one follows. Make sure you check the question on the description. Download it from there so that you will understand what we are discussing right now. More like the pin your equation pinum so to a download equation link down po description. Takin mentang ini move to the next question. What does it say? Very important question. You will get a tricks from here. What does it say? No Lenovo is Android. No Lenovo is. This is Lenovo. This is Android. No Lenovo is Android. No Lenovo is Android. Kumud Android but Lenovo mdan jingye de dele kat balik the PI possibility ruh bong no ta kamud no mdan jingye de ta ken the dem na ta kyong some Android is laptop kat tu kan ni pat jong ka Android ke de ka laptop dem na ta kyong gum no laptop is OnePlus mdan laptop ba de OnePlus. No laptop is OnePlus. The long kat balong ru ni laptop but OnePlus the Lenovo but Android, there is no relation between them. Laptop and OnePlus, there is no relation between them. So what is the conclusion? Conclusion number one, some Lenovo is OnePlus. Demnata no Lenovo is OnePlus. So based on the conclusion, what do we see right here is Lenovo, OnePlus. Both of the conclusion have the same element. At the same time, both of the element are in the same position. Lenovo same position, OnePlus same position. And whenever you see some but no, some not but all. Let pi gini ki contain ini artli but kini artli ba ju kapor ki element ru ki de ki ju element have the same position, element are the same. In that case the answer will be always either one or two. Either one or two. In this case the answer is either one or two. Pistonium either one or two. Then let's move with the next question, that is number 3. Number 3 statement says some boys are men. Some boys are men. Some boys are men. Kapto kan neki boys ki deki men. The dem nanta some men are star. Some men are star. The dem nanta ki ongum no all star are smart. Toro new star de udeu smart. Now what is the conclusion? What does it say? Hey, no smart is boys. No smart is boys. No smart is boys. Which is true. U smart nang ni shani, but u boy nang ni shani umdan jingye day. Habang no smart is boy, which is true. Yes, you said the right thing, my man. And then let's go with the second one. What does it say? All men are star. Baro new men they u star. They u star. Kata tam lawan long. Namar some men are star, but not all men are star. Which is false. So only conclusion 1 follows. Only conclusion 1 follows in this case. Oh, mudong. Okay. Only conclusion 1 follows. Yes. And then let's go with the next question. With the next question, that is some pot are ceramic. Question number 4, my man. Question number 4. Some pot are ceramic. Some pot are ceramics. And then all ceramic are plastic. Bro, ceramics kadeka plastic. And then no plastic is plant. No plastic is what? Plant. No plastic is plant. It's mean like this. So what is the conclusion? All plants are ceramic. All of these plants are ceramic. Hey, what do you say, my man? All plant is ceramic. About ceramic udan shini, plant udan ulasha cross. No relationship. Takata kumno panunong plant de ceramic kamla balong kamut. First conclusion is false. And the second conclusion, what does it say? Some plastic are pot. Kato kan ni benta jong kani ka plastic kade pots, which is true. The only conclusion 2 follows. Only conclusion 2 follows in this case. With the camera, only conclusion 2 follows. Now let's go with question number 5. Some cars are not bus. Some cars are not bus. Kumut katu kan ni benta jong ni ukar hang ni umdei u bus. Katu kan ni benta jong kar hang mudong tang katu kan ni benta jong uni ukar badai bus. Some car is not bus. Kamut kini ki balanya sini syarut kini kimdan jingya dei bat ka bus. Tang ini bentang ni badan jingya dei bat bus. Dem natagi ong gumnong ni only a few bus are trucks. Tang katu kan ni benta jong ni bus hang ni badai trucks. Dem natagi ong gumno all trucks are ship. Baro ni ka trucks hang ni kadai ka ships. The conclusion ko ong gumno some cars are ship. Some car are ship. Hangi some. The demnata no cars are ship. No cars are ship. The habapi kum kini kijaj. Habapi kum kini kijaj pilatip na onge pi. The pi kini kintin. The pi kini kintin. Some but no. They have the same element. Car, ship, ships. The answer should be always either 1 or 2. But in this case, either 1 or 2 is the correct answer. In question number 5, either 1 or 2 is the correct answer. Takin ini pet question belong pala namar baru kebi isuk sudah. Toh, in move to what? Move to maybe question 10 number. Question number 10 direct. Question number 10 direct. Hai namar ngi gini giwei gibasuk te piaban persang hi la de pim persang kan man toy yu ba pin pule hai mano hi ban ai free ke ka ba abaro phi kwa ai ganu kam phi hap tre shitom de la de namar phi tre shitom pin partial de hi de ban pa de ne ka ta jong giwei gi de ne man ta jong phi ta ga da tre shitom mi wan nam bam suk wan nam le suk wan nam thi suk wan nam shok suk kam tre shitom kan din ma. Let's go with question number 10. Or a few painter are teacher. Abong a few. What is the meaning of a few? Means only few or some. Some only few is the same. A few painter are teachers. Katto gani panta jong kani ka painter kadai ka teachers. Kideki teachers. Dem nanta ongum teachers are rude. Habami ini kintin teachers are rude. Ki klem mention a some ne no ne kishtobe teachers are rude. Come in that case we have to consider is as all. we have to consider is as all. Take on no come all teachers are rude. Let the kiklem to a no ne somne kupta we have to consider them as all. All teachers are rude. Them nata some rude person are good. Katto kan ki rude person are good. So what is the conclusion? This is the Venn diagram. So what is the conclusion? What is the conclusion that we have? Chalo bhai, kaha pe hai? A few of painters are good at art. Are good at art. Kumno nga bakla English. Some rude person are good at art. Are good at art. Some rude person are good at art. Kini kada equation. Takin ka solution kada kumno ka number 1 kong kumno ni. A few of painter are good at art. A few of painter are good at art. Kata tem mla ban long. Namaru painter don chini u art don chini kam don jingye de na jinga shaya jinga. Te haba kumta kamut ka one kadai wrong, which false. Let's go with the second one. Some rude person may not be teachers. Katto kat ni banta jong kiniki rude may not be teachers. Hoy, that is true. Pela dingi draw bahai kani de rude teachers pat kadon tang kat ni. Teachers kadon tang kat ni hang ni hapo jong urut kamut kini ki balai chane baro kini kideke kideki veipat kideki balai teacher la shulong no uni teachers de mau bohe kan ni uni root pat de ka ball tengim la ban ong babaro uni umau de ball la ban long namar umau dan tang kendit banta hau hakata ka ball ta ken habade kum kani kamut some root person may not be teachers kat to kan ni banta jong kan ni ka root may not be teachers. That is true. Hard. Some bentajong kato kan ni bentajong ke root kim day teachers, which is true only. Conclusion 2 follows. Now let's move with the next question. This is question number 10. Let's go with question number chalo bhai chalo ngapai tangki ki ba ngide banle 13. A few minutes are hour. A few minutes are hour. 13. This is 13. A few minutes are hour. A few minutes are hour. The demata kong kumno hangni no hour are days. Dan hours are days. No hour are days. No hour are days. Kemudian long kumni the demata at least the meaning contain at least. The meaning contain at least kemudian kumno some. At least some. At least some days are week. At least some days are week. The conclusion ko ang kumno hang ni. Conclusion ko ang kumno hang ni. Someday is minute is possibility. Someday is minute is possibility. Katto kan ni benta jong ka minute kade is a possibility. Na ong yepi haba pimi contain possibility ni pechwai ka certainty la da ka certainty ka day wrong kamut possibility ka day true han railer ka certainty ka day true ka possibility ka day wrong ta hang ni la digi pej ya ka certainty shubu kani ka conclusion ka day bitangkum ni someday is minute, some of the day is minute. Katahatan mla man long namaru di shani minute de shani ka certainty kam la man long someday is the minute kanam la ban long da leleru handai de kipmi ya contain possibility bamla ban long kamut certainty ngong pi someday is minute da la da ka de ka certainty kata definitely kata kamut dan jinge de kamut false tela da ka certainty ka de false kamut ka possibility ka de true te hagani ka por ka conclusion 1 ka de true kadai true bami ini contain possibility kadai true takin ka kabar pat kom some week is not hour, some week is not hour kata kadai ka certainty some week is not hour, some of the week is not hour, which is true namar week but hour taki don jinga ba that is true no day is a week. No day is a week. Balay pin ong no day is a week. Haba pi ka day bat ka week ki don jing a day hang ni. Kum no pi ong no day is a week. Kamot kata ka day false. Only conclusion 1 and 2 follows. Only conclusion 1 and 2 follows. In this case, only question only 1 and 2 follows. Hakai gini ka 13 only 1 and 2 follow. Only 1 and 2 follows. Takin ni page hang ni kabadon ka me kini ka ong all honi 14. Question number 14. Question number 14 ka ong kumno question number 14 hang ni all honey are sugar. All honey ni de honey are sugar. All honey are sugar. The dem nata wong kumno hang ni some sugar is salt. Katukan ni benta jong sugar kadeka salt. The dem nata ka ong kumno hang ni no honey is water. No honey is water. No honey is water. Pen mo hang ni pi de ban so thu la ong no honey is water kamun honey but water kinam dan jing de lada pi possibility ru kinam dan jing de sien bala ong no tan no habong bom i te kamun bom i mo habong no honey is water kamun honey but water kinam dan jing de lada pi bu possibility ru kinam la ban long sien bala maham la pa ma hanrei water but sugar pat la ban dan jing de la ban dan possibility water but salt la ban dan possibility hanrei uniu hani hang ni baro hang ni but water kila don jing shun la khang persya takamut la khang persya la cross takamut la cross the pibu possibility the pibu kan bu don jing de takin ladangi pedia ka ayu kyong some salt is not water. Some salt is not water. Some salt is not water. Ladangi pej salt but water. Some salt is not water. Kata te kamla ban long. Some salt is not water. Kata te kamla ban long. Namar la dingi pej ka kalaj free shani ka sal ka dan shani. Namar tangkat tu kan ni pad benta jong ka sal badi sugar race. The rest kala ban dei mo. Haba ong hang ni kumno. Some salt is not water. Some salt is not water. Kadai certainty common which is true. Kamdai ka possibility. Kadai ka certainty salt but water kim don jing dei Henry ki ong pad hang ni kumno no kahape. Some honey is water is possibility. Some honey is water is possibility. Ngaong epi sien bala cross kumod la de pibu possibility ru dan jing mod ta ken la ong some honey is water is possibility no. Kamot no. Kamot hang ni only conclusion ones follow. Only conclusion ones follow. Ta ken we move with the next question, that is only circle is triangle. Question number 15. Only circle is triangle. Ladami ini kentian only circle is triangle kajingmut kalong all triangle is circle. Penya bapin confused kong gumnong ni only circle is triangle. Kambut gumnong ni all triangles are circles. Kajingmut kadai kumni. Only circle is a triangle. Kamut tang u circle badai triangle. Tang u circle badai triangle. Kiwe day triangle. Ndre badai triangle day tang u circle. Lene hajkaban tho only circle is triangle. We can write them as all triangle are circle. Baru ni triangle hangi day circle. Te tangu circle badai po triangle. Only circle is a triangle. Only circle is triangle. Kadai gram kadai kumno. The dem natagi ong kumno hang ni some circle is square. Katukan ni part jong u circle udai u square. Katukan ni part jong circle de square. No square is hexagon. Komod dan square badai hexagon. hexagon. The conclusion kadai kumno all circle can be hexagon. The don ikentin can be kemud ayu kemud possibility. Can be kemud kumno possibility. Can be and possibility is the same. Can be and possibility is the same. The hangni habaki ong epi hangni all circle can be possibility kemud. All circle can be possibility. Can be all circle can be hexagon kemud ka possibility. Kata leading page all circle can be hexagon. All circle can be hexagon. Kata te namla ban long ka statement kila mention usarkil udai tang na banta triangle hanre hangni ki ong usarkil la ban long hexagon ngong epi sin bala ong kemud la ong sin bala ong kemud la ong hangni la ong only circle is a triangle tang usarkil ubadai hapo triangle the dem nang ta ki ong kumno ni all circle can be hexagon baru uni usarkil they can be hexagon kata kanam la ban long namar katto kan di menta jong ni circle ulaya don but triangle but aku juga poru ulaya don but square tang ba square but hexagon pat kila ya shun la dengan IP de kunuksa mo hakano gurkom real life lele la dengan IP nuksa ga pampor handai page katto kan di menta jong square de circle tagen lada square but hexagon pat la shun la pa tekemud kini gibenta bo square yo na circle ru unam la ban le hexagon tagadaw the pi possibility ru kadai wrong. So in this case the first conclusion is wrong. Then second, some square is triangle ki ong katto kan ni benta jong square de triangle kata kanam la ban long namar la mention only circle is triangle tang circle ba de triangle kemud square unam de triangle. So in this case neither one nor two follows. Hagani kadai neither one nor two follows. Hoit kini kidi tang katto kan itli equation kidang bon shushu haban la ding kiran habai de bat ki banking bat ki SSC bat kumta ter dang bon ki equation handai kabangale ngale tangkat nihi hublei shibon tangum tai ngin skindu ko kelas.